Throughout 2021, our members and staff had to adapt to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This included our members going out to enforce public health orders and regulations. Despite the pandemic and the limitations that were often put in place, Transit Police members and staff were able to successfully implement some key initiatives during this time frame. This included the establishment of a homeless outreach program, expansion of the Community Policing Center, the use of volunteers, and ongoing support and expansion of the Blue Eagle Community Cadet Program.
The Homeless Outreach Project came up during the period of COVID, and it's just giving him a granola bar or some socks or a blanket or gloves, and it's just a quick interaction. They're always very appreciative, these folks, but I always do offer the outreach with respect to finding a shelter for them. Homelessness in the Lower Mainland is perhaps a much bigger issue than people realize, and it's often aligned with drug addiction. You know, homelessness and drug addiction and mental illness, that's public transit in a nutshell, right? Like dealing with all these folks.
In 2021, we were able to launch our first community policing center at Waterfront Station. Currently, Transit Police has approximately 50 volunteers who assist our police officers in a variety of ways. They attend special events, hand out See Something, Say Something campaign materials. They work on joint initiatives such as the ICBC Pedestrian Safety Campaign, and attend and provide presentations to a variety of our stakeholders. Volunteers carry naloxone and have been instrumental in saving several lives while out in the field. They were recognized for these extraordinary efforts at several small awards ceremonies held in 2021. Two of our volunteers were recently hired on as police officers. The Community Policing Center provides a new path for candidates interested in policing. This allows them to gain valuable insight and experience, furthering their skills and enhancing their resumes. We are looking forward to the continued growth of the Community Policing Center program in 2022.
We need Indigenous youth programs. So our Blue Eagle program is for youth 12 to 15. We're Indigenous focused, so we do Indigenous protocols, teachings, cultural events, that sort of thing. And we are hoping to expand to other communities as well.
Due to a reported rise in hate crimes across this country, Transit Police partnered with community agencies to have our materials translated for public safety into various languages and held outreach sessions where we were able to speak directly with groups on prevention techniques and the importance of reporting such incidents.
On behalf of the MVTB board and members, I recommit to the public that we will work to ensure that the Transit Police works every day so that everyone feels safe and secure on the system and that all staff feel proud to work at Transit Police.
In 2021, the Transit Police established a crime suppression team. This team's focus was to target problematic areas, prolific offenders, and those individuals who cause safety concerns within the transit environment. Another key aspect of every police officer's job, and especially those at the Transit Police, is assisting those who find themselves in some form of crisis. Last year, we saw a significant increase in mental health related calls, and even an increase in the number of lives we saved through the administering of naloxone. Transit Police are committed to diversity and inclusion within our work environment. We were really proud and pleased to see the first all-female recruit group go through, hired late in the fall. Our dispatchers and communication staff were kept busy last year. Despite a decline in ridership, we saw more text messaging than ever, and that is showing how effective this form of communication is.
In 2021, Transit Police's media relations team kept extremely busy. One of the most significant events was on October 1st, when we received a false report of an active shooter and explosives at Metrotown Station. There was a significant police response by both the Burnaby RCMP and Transit Police. Now thankfully it was a false report and the public remained safe. As we know, Metro Vancouver dealt with a variety of weather-related emergencies, and the Transit Police were able to assist our policing partners by ensuring safety throughout the region. During the summer's heat dome, our officers dealt with several brush fires around SkyTrain stations in Surrey, and we were able to hand out bottles of water to those in need. In the fall, we deployed several officers to assist our policing partners in Abbotsford following the devastating floods in the Fraser Valley. In 2021, Transit Police seized numerous replica-style firearms off passengers on the transit system. Any report of a firearm requires a significant response, which puts the public and the police officers at risk. We continue to advise the public that the transit system is no place for firearms, whether they're replica or real, so leave them at home.
We are now working and looking ahead towards the implementation of our new strategic plan that came in place here in 2022, a return to in-person activities and community events that will bring people together where we'll be happy to greet them. COVID-19 has been tough on everybody, and I couldn't be more proud of everybody who works in this organization. From the frontline members to administrative staff to support clerks, it takes a team to make everything work. Looking ahead, we're ready, willing to take on new opportunities and challenges in order to deliver safety for transit users both in, around, and on the system.